In this video, you will learn how to turn off keyboard sound on any Samsung phone. If your typing sounds are distracting or you prefer a silent experience, this guide will help you customize your device settings quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Swipe down from the top of your screen and tap the Settings gear icon to access your phone settings. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Vibration. This section controls all audio feedback on your device. Step 3. Select System Sound and Vibration Control or similar option depending on your One UI version. Step 4. Find the Samsung keyboard option and toggle it off. This will immediately stop all key press sounds while typing. Once completed, your keyboard will be completely silent, giving you a smoother and distraction-free typing experience. You can also adjust other system sounds like touch feedback or vibration from the same menu for full customization.